Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find and copy your USDT ERC20 wallet address on Bybit. For that, you need to launch your Bybit mobile application and then log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, once you've successfully logged in, by default, you will be on the home page, but you need to tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and here you need to tap on the deposit option. Then among the given options, you just have to select deposit crypto. Now here, as we want to find our USDT based on the ERC20 address, so you need to use the search bar in the top and search for USDT. Once you are able to find Tether USDT, it will ask you to choose the network. So here you need to choose the ERC20 network, and you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address in front of you. So in order to copy this address, you just have to tap on the copy button right next to the wallet address that you see, and once it is successfully copied, you can use it in order to receive your USDT based on the ERC20 network in your Bybit account. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.